rain, but it is confined mainly, so we haven't done with the rainfall just yet. It's this weather front that's been stuck across this part of the world for quite some time now, but the good news is it will eventually clear away just in time for the weekend. But for the next few hours or so, we still have to contend with the outbreaks of rain. At times, the rain will be quite heavy, but most of the time it'll be coming and going, so there'll be some drier interludes as well. Temperatures, the second half of the afternoon hovering around about, say, 14 or 15 degrees. But you don't have to go very far north to encounter the dry weather. So certainly across the North Midlands, a reasonable end to the day. A little bit of clouds end the day across parts of northeastern England and certainly around the North Sea coast of Scotland. Here it has been so far quite cloudy, and that's how it's going to stay. But the best of the weather in Scotland across the Western Isles, the Hebrides, and in Northern Ireland. Lovely sunshine here. Temperatures of around about 14 or 15 degrees. And then we get back into that weather front. It's still here across parts of Wales. Incidentally, we had a bit more rain than we expected in parts of Manchester, so hands up on that one. Cornwall should have a fine end to the day, actually. This is the kind of exception here as far as southern Britain is concerned, so not bad for places like Plymouth. Anyway, for this evening, wet weather across the south. If anything, the rain could reinvigorate itself across the southern counties, places like Southampton and Portsmouth. But for the rest of us, dry weather, chilly in Glasgow, morning temperatures of around about 3 degrees. Now, this weather front that's been plaguing the south of the UK is expected to finally clear away towards the south. And the reason why it is clearing away to the south is because of this area of high pressure digging down. So it's going to pull away that cloud. So eventually those grey skies will be replaced by some sunny skies, so some decent weekend sunshine on the way for most of us. Now, if you're up very early on Saturday morning, admittedly, there will be still a bit of cloud, because that cloud or weather front will drag its heels, clawing its way towards the south. Eventually, the cloud will thin, and I think most of us will see some blue skies and decent temperatures. 17 in London, still cooler in Newcastle, where we've got the cloud. And, of course, we've got sporting events over the weekend as well, so good news for the football. Anyway, Sunday, a great day. Finally, we say goodbye to the weather front in the south, so Portsmouth is looking sunny, 19 in London. And believe it or not, even Monday and Tuesday, we think, is looking good. Temperatures in some spots across southeastern Britain could get up to 20 degrees or more. Now, the other side of the world, in Shanghai for the Grand Prix, it looks as though now the forecast has changed a little bit. Sunday could be dry, but by the time we get to Monday, so after the Grand Prix, there